Guys, I'm back with another very special video that I'm excited to get across to y'all guys. Without further ado, hit me up on Instagram at PETGoden16. Over there I post a lot of cool sneaker content, sneaker reels, fashion content, and I'm really trying to branch out and do a lot more with clothing and stuff like that as well too, coming very soon, guys. So show me love over there, guys. Like and commenting goes a long way, and subscribing as well too. We have a very special shoe in the house today. Very simplistic box, nothing too crazy, but we got the Michigan 4s in the house today, guys. So I'm super excited to review these for y'all. I'm really just love these, and I feel like they're such a clean colorway. Obviously you got like the Florida Gator 4s and like a bunch of different ones too, Oregon Ducks, and college football is going on right now, so what better time to review these. Should Colorado get a 4 as well too. I know Deion Sanders been going crazy. Without further ado, let's get it. We have this beautiful shoe in house, man. So this shoe is just surrounded in like this suede material going all across that has like this thicker kind of layer. Now this is supposed to be, and that's a big part of it, is like a frosted blue going around, similar to this. So it's gonna be like a frosted blue on the lower panel going all around, and on the back right there you're gonna have that signature Jumpman in yellow with that kind of Oreo dust going all around. So what I say Oreo dust is on the white cement 4s and the signature Oreo just on any Jordan, it has that speckle colorway, and that's what they have, which is really cool, and you don't see that a lot. That beautiful pull tab in the back as well too. Now that tall tongue on the inside saying 13, and then right there you can see the writing as well too, which is really cool. And the beautiful, it's just so really nice and soft to the touch. It's very soft material. That's M for Michigan right there. And then a beautiful shoe just all around. As you guys can see, that speckle folds in the midsole, white in the midsole, and that beautiful blue frosted, as you guys can see right there. And then these really nice laces that are just thick, nice navy laces. Now we're gonna go on to the other shoe. There is other laces which I'm super excited to get across to y'all. You have these cream laces right here, which I feel like will go crazy on these, and I definitely would do this when I wear them. And then obviously the signature yellow that matches that beautiful M on the actual shoe, which is crazy. The other shoe is very simplistic. Another really cool detail is these kind of translucent speckled cage holders for the laces as well too, and going all the way to the back as well here too, which I absolutely love. On the inside it's just a simple navy, but very soft, and that M for Michigan on the inside as well. So this shoe just all around has tons of details that you can kind of see up close, and they're just beautiful, man. I love these, and the thing that I love about these shoes, these are a little bit more popular because they're a little more subtle, but every single college team has like this bright color. So the Oregon Ducks, or you have the Florida Gators, or you have Michigan and stuff like that, which is really cool to have, and I absolutely love these. Let me know and comment down below what is your team and what you guys think of these. And honestly, these are beautiful and I absolutely love them. I think they're really fresh and really clean. And on the inside you can see that 13, and then on the inside here you can see that 13 as well too. So Michigan, and then it says here football, which is really cool as well too. My bad, guys. Little focus, Michigan football. So I absolutely love these. Comment down below if it is a cop or a drop. The box is very simplistic, guys, and I love to get these on foot. So let me know what you guys think. I'm about to do an up close and an on foot, guys. Comment down below. I love you guys. Let's get into the video without further ado.
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me love, hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me love. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She everything bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Shorty to fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. And she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my hands, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause the pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna, yeah. Just keep giving me love. Oh, just keep giving me love. Oh, just keep giving me love. Yeah. I need you right here beside me.